NIO stock hit a new record in October 2020, making a statement as the biggest Chinese rival to Tesla. All investors are looking at this company as numbers continue to make breaking news on financial networks. As an investor, you don't need huge investments to make money. You only need to choose the right stocks. Easier said than done, right? Well, today we are going to show you behind the curtains what NIO is all about. In this NIO stock review, we're going to reveal what makes this company so unique and why people are saying this is the biggest rival to Tesla. In fact, shares of Tesla are up over 400%, giving them a valuation of $519 billion in November 2020. NIO, on the other hand, was worth almost $70 billion in the same period. So why are people saying NIO could be Tesla's biggest rival? Is NIO stock a game-changing opportunity? Or is it something you should perhaps stay away from? Well, stay with me. And in this NIO stock review, I'll make sure to leave you with a good fundamental understanding of this new Tesla competitor. But first, you know what to do. Smash that like button so we can spread the word of NIO to all electric car enthusiasts out there. Feel free to support the channel by signing up at eToro with the link below, where you can buy stocks free of any commissions, leaving you with more profits. You can also buy fractional shares. So for example, perhaps you don't want to spend $3,000 for one Amazon stock. Well, here you can buy a small part of one stock instead. Well, what is NIO? It was created in 2014 by William Li. Their mission is to redefine what it means to offer a premium service in the car industry. Their most famous products include the EP9, the ES6, and the ES8. NIO's product style resembles a lot from the ones of Tesla. The EP9 is their sports luxury car. Its max speed is 313 kilometers per hour and goes from 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in only 7.1 seconds. For all you car fanatics out there. The ES6 and the ES8 are family cars, still high performance cars. These SUVs are made for floating through the road in the most comfortable way possible. It's important to mention that all their products make no impact on the environment with zero emissions. In addition, NIO has also developed a similar autopilot function to Tesla called NIO Pilot. Despite the lack of creativity in the name, NIO Pilot is a concept that will give one of the best user experiences to the driver. It's still in the beginning phases though, and there's a lot that has to be done before it's ready to be used. Its effect on NIO's shares won't probably be on the short-term future. NIO's EP9 is considered the fastest electric car in the world. In the Festival of Speed's final shootout, the NIO EP9 became the fastest electric car to ever ascend the iconic hill climb in front of Goodwood House. This gave NIO a huge boost in popularity and attracted a great number of investors. This was the perfect timing as NIO announced an IPO in the New York Stock Exchange in the very same year. However, NIO's shares were still traded 4.2% below its IPO price of $6.26 per share. Finally, they're the pioneer of the battery as service model. With this breakthrough, you'll not buy the car without the battery. Then, you have the option to buy different battery packs of various capacities according to your needs on a monthly basis. This method is cheaper than the ICE cars of the same segment in both the purchase cost and the usage cost. The difference in climate change is obvious as well. The founder and where NIO is going in the future. William Li is the CEO and founder of NIO. Interestingly enough, he doesn't have any form of social education in business, even though his skills in this area are undeniable. As a matter of fact, William Li holds a bachelor's degree in sociology from Peking University, also considered as the Elon Musk of China. And I don't think he was given that nickname for his looks. And besides NIO, he's the chairman of a web provider for content in the auto industry called BitAuto. Since last year, NIO has made an important move in the financial department. Mr. Wei Feng joined as CFO, bringing in his 15 years of experience in the automotive industry with him. His track record is impressive to say the least, and NIO will no doubt gain a lot from this strategic move. NIO's Chinese name is 未来, meaning blue sky coming. This represents their philosophy and mission to bring a better tomorrow and lead the world as the next generation car company. In their words, they want to redefine the concept of premium car service. They believe the car industry is about to suffer a profound change, not just in technology and products, but in the way people relate to cars. They want to change your experience of owning a car to a much more positive one. Since the launch, NIO has raised investments from several companies, including Tencent, Temasek, Baidu, and many more. The NIO EP9 was launched on the very first day the brand was created, testing cars on public roads. In 2016, NIO was granted the ability to start testing cars on public roads and quickly raised over $1 billion from investors. Their plan has always been to launch vehicles with third and fourth levels of autonomy. This last level doesn't require human intervention at all in the driving experience. The car is evolved enough to deal with possible system failures or other problems alone. You only drive the car if you want, basically. NIO's cars are currently at level 2, but the strategic collaboration with Mobileye, the global leader in the development of vision technology for advanced driver assistance systems, could very well change that. The introduction of the first level 3 car in the market could shoot NIO's shares through the roof. This launch is planned to hit markets in China first in the next few years. In 2018, NIO launched a power station swap. This incredible method takes only 3 minutes to switch batteries, but is only available for the ES8 product. This is by far the smallest and fastest power swap station in the world. You won't need to charge batteries anymore. This method works just like a gas station, and it will change the car's batteries faster than you'd put fuel into an ICE car. In the same year, the pioneer in the Chinese premium EV market announced an IPO in the New York Stock Exchange, which changed everything. Despite the pandemic, NIO continued to grow at a steady pace. The increase in deliveries in April 2020 amounted to 105% compared to the previous month. Plus, with Biden's victory in the US, the promise of a sustainable vision seems to be coming again. The battery development will most likely become a priority, and NIO, with its power swap method, offers the flexibility that no one in the market can match. Oh, if you're liking the video so far, leave a like, and if you are an investor, or you want to start as one, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss future videos. We're going to be releasing a lot of videos like this, so you'll have the right information for everything around stocks in one place. Back to the video. What makes NIO unique? Now, you might be thinking, what makes NIO so special? They are the leaders in the EV market in the eastern part of the world, for sure. But what makes them so unique is their methodical approach to business. Tesla is the leader in this market, and NIO is looking at Tesla's mistakes to make sure they're avoiding them. If you pay close attention, you'll see they adopted the same approach as Tesla, the so-called top to bottom, starting with the highest performing cars and then making the mass market productions was a huge success to Elon Musk's company. And now NIO is doing the same. Who is going to conquer the EV market? Well, the multi-billionaire genius Elon Musk in front of Tesla has already managed to get manufacturing facilities in China, crushing local competitors. However, there is one or maybe two crucial factors that might cause NIO to outgrow Tesla. NIO has the backing of the Chinese government and giants such as Tencent. And the most important part, they have the Chinese loyalty. In William Li's words, Tesla is a supermodel, while NIO is the girl next door. His plans are to enter the global market, especially Europe, by 2023. NIO is one of the fastest growing companies in this industry and not by any short of chance. William Li has a unique ability to form strong alliances and raise capital and resources in the process. NIO's much higher returns year to date compared to Tesla is one of many proofs. You now have a great understanding, a fundamental understanding of NIO. If you're ready to start investing in NIO stocks or any other ones, check out eToro in the links below. And the most important part, you probably heard this before. You know that little like button? That little thumbs up button in the links below? Press that. It's pretty fun. I heard you get fun coupons. Don't quote me, that's Jordan Belfort. If you want to see more videos, there's this huge red button. Press that, subscribe. And as always, it's important to remember the risks involving investing. You're always responsible for your actions, so you should research everything you can before investing. Now, since you've come so far, why not check out this video? Maybe this one. Well, I'm in both of them, so... Or maybe I'm not. But you'll get to me anyways. Also,
Let's go, go!
well, let's go, Jordan! Det är nog roligt.
Bra, fan, då har vi första videon klar. Ja.
Nice!